Good afternoon, fellow classmates. My name is Jean Ann Carrington, and I am a fourth grade reading language arts teacher in the Cy-Fair district. I just love making these videos. Every time I make one, I realize why the Kardashians take their lighting crew with them. Doesn't seem to matter how much light I turn on, I'm always sitting here in the dark. I grew up a military child, and so I've lived around the United States in different places. I've been exposed to lots of different cultures that way. And so that's one thing about me. I grew up a military child. Second thing about me is I am married for the last 20 years, and we have a 15-year-old son who got his braces off today and is driving. So there's all kinds of excitement happening with our house. And a third thing to know about me, and if you've had a class with me, you already know this, I'm obsessed with John Bon Jovi. This is my autographed picture of him. Doesn't seem to matter what lighting you put him in, he's still pretty cute. And I love rock and roll music, and John Bon Jovi, I got to meet him when I turned 40, so kind of one of those moments of a lifetime. But I look forward to this class and learning more about multicultural education, so that I can help my students become better learners and help other teachers in my school maybe realize the biases that they're seeing as well. So I look forward to working with all of you this year, and I hope we have a great time. Thank you.